Okay, I'm ready.
All right. Paige, congratulations on going to state.
Thank you.
So when did you start getting into bowling?
When I was about 5 years old, I did it for fun, and then I joined a league here. And then our coach, Dan Adamek, who passed away from cancer, told me that he seen potential in me and my sister, so we really got into it when we were about 12 and 13.
Okay, and is this your first time going to state for bowling?
For high school, yes. I qualified for middle school, but the competition was really, really tough when I first got into high school and I didn't qualify.
Okay, and if I remember correctly, your sister's also gone to state for bowling too, correct?
Yes. All 3 out of her 4 years, yes.
Okay, so with that being said, you're a senior this year, correct, or a junior?
A senior.
All right. So knowing that your sister went, has she given you any words of wisdom going to state at all?
Yeah, that if I throw a bad shot, to let it go, because what happened with her is she always dwelled on her bad shots, and it got her to not make the cut at all. So my goal is to keep those bad shots underneath and hopefully make the first cut and advance to the next round.
Okay, so how many rounds are there in the state tournament?
So we started at 59, and we bowled 3 games on Friday night, and then they cut to the top 25%, which comes out to be about 15 girls. On Saturdays, another 3 games, and they cut to the top 5 for a stepladder final on Sunday.
Okay. So for those who don't know what a stepladder final is, can you explain that just a little bit?
So the girl sitting in 5th will bowl the girl sitting in 4th, and then 4th will bowl the 3rd seed, and then the 3rd will bowl the 2nd, and then 2nd seed will bowl the 1st place. So if you're sitting in 1st, you're sitting in the championship match.
Yep. So, all right, and this is not your first tournament that you've technically bowled in, correct?
No, I bowl for the JBST tour, and I also bowl like high school, so we do meets almost all Sundays. So yeah, I bowl quite often on sport shots, which is going to help going into state, considering District 9 is one of the only districts that bowl on a sport shot. So we go in with an advantage.
Okay, so with that being said, obviously not many people know what sports shots are or anything like that. So you want to explain just basically what you're bowling on?
So like a house shot is an oil pattern that pretty much anybody can bowl on, and then when they put up the sports shot, they space the oil out and put more oil in some spots of the lane and disperse it in more spots to make it more challenging rather than a house shot. Pretty much anyone can figure out. Most house shots are the same, where sports shots, some are really long, some are really short, and it takes a better ball to be able to bowl pretty good on it.
Okay, so what is your high score right now on a house pattern?
I would say it's a 278.
And then your highest on a sports, if you can actually remember that at all?
Probably about the same, 278.
So obviously that elusive 300 is away from you right now. You do have a 300?
You said the sports shot twice, so I didn't know what to say.
Oh, sorry.
You meant house shot?
House shot.
House shot is a 300. Yes, I have 2 of them. I have one on the Coral Lane house shot in Wausau, and then I have one on the Merrill house shot. And I shot both of those, one when I was 15 and one when I was 16.
Okay. So obviously very good bowler. And nervous going to state?
Yeah, I'm very nervous. I mean, I'm going against 59 of the best girls in the state, and I've never been here before. There's going to be a lot of pressure going in, and I'm just hoping to bowl good enough to make that first cut at 15 on Friday night.
Okay. And obviously, if not, just enjoy your time down there. That's the biggest point, right?
Yes, and I do get to take my amazing coach, Scott, with me, who knows how to keep my nerves down, so I'm hoping it's going to be very successful.
Okay. Anything else you'd like to say to the rest of your classmates, how they can watch your progress, anything like that?
You guys can go to bowlwy.com and scroll all the way down to the high school bowling, and then there will be a Bowl TV on there where you guys can say, or I'll probably be live streaming it too on Facebook.
Awesome. Well, good luck at state, Paige.
Thank you.